I'm here at Watkins Glen State Park, and man, is it beautiful. Pretty much none of this trip is planned, and I ended up here on a Saturday. And this park is a mega attractor, so it's just incredible once you got a trail to yourself. And if you just hike 2 miles outside of the parking lot, you're guaranteed to lose some people. Like this spot. So if you're ever in mid-state New York, go check it out. But check it out on a Wednesday morning. It was a perfect 10-mile hike, and yesterday I forgot to post my other results, so here's another 12 miles.